Alrighty, welcome to another beautiful day in Southern California. Today is very exciting. I'm actually heading up to a track that I've never been to before, which is Laguna Seca.
Marketh and the world famous Corkscrew Corner.
So, heading up north, the drive is about 5 hours to the hotel that we're staying at. I am packed up for the road. It's gonna be about 5-hour drive, so got my cooler next to me. I'll have my drinks, fill it up, get some snacks on the way. Bike is loaded, bags are loaded, and we are good to go. So yeah, taking the 210 again. She's ready. Alrighty, I am about 2 hours, I want to say. But anyways, just an interesting perspective I wanted to share. So I've been doing this whole track thing for about what, 1.5 2 years, I think. And it's weird because even though it's been years, I still get nervous with my bike being on the bed, so I would constantly check. But it's interesting because that only lasts for so long. There's a threshold. I think after like the first hour, you just stop checking. You're like, whatever. But yeah, it's kind of funny, but just wanted to share. Laguna Seca, I think I'm finally here to Laguna Seca. Is this the way? Looks. Which way am I supposed to go? Hello. Is it? Do I pay? How does it work? It's my first time here.
Oh, so you're for the track day tomorrow?
Yeah.
They're having everyone stage in blue 3.
Okay.
So go straight, turn right, go over the bridge, and then you'll see that empty lot on the left.
Okay.
Everyone should be in there.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
So where are we setting up?
We're gonna take this entire lot right here.
Yeah, we're gonna set up.
Oh, he's checking out my
They're
bike.
yours?
Yeah, he's checking out my
Oh, I
bike.
like the red.
Yeah. Red's
I
better.
have to copy that.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're there.
We're thinking setting up like a ride through.
Inspiration. Can I get your autograph later?
Sure.
Have fun, Doc.
Thank you.
Let's go!
eternity later.
So slow. So slow. Good to go. Go ahead. Go ahead. So slow. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'm going. Thank you. Thank you, Papi Chulo.
Hello.
So slow. time to go home.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can.
Alrighty, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for sticking through. So I ran out of battery and memory at the same time for all of my cameras, so I couldn't do an outro. So I'll do an outro now. Laguna Seca, honestly, if you have the chance, go for it, 100%. If I get the chance again next year, I'm gonna go. I had such a great time. It was so fun. The track is nice. It's so legendary. It's iconic. And I loved it. And I just had a great time with all my friends. So yeah, again, great stuff. Fun track. Next adventure plan for the 200 is the Ridge. The boys wanted to go to Washington to ride more Moto America tracks, and the Ridge is next on the list. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll vlog another one for the Ridge. Cool. Thank you guys. Bye.
Just tell me that I can.